Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch La Casa de Papel, the season 3 or part 3, and the episodes 7 and 8. I just watched the episodes 5 and 6. If you want to see it, I'm gonna put the link of my reaction video about those two episodes in the same time. I'm making reaction videos for 2 episodes at a time because I explained it already. If you want to know why, you can read the description or you can go on my other reaction videos about this show and this season 3. Right now I'm really just excited and really stressed about those 2 final episodes, and I have really the impression that Denver is gonna die, and I really don't like that because he's one of my favorite characters in this show. But yes, I have this impression because of many lines about him saying that now he's a dad, now he can't do like he did before, him remembering his dad sacrificing himself, him saying that he can do the same for Monica if she's in danger, him being nice, being kind with this boy. I don't know. I really don't know because during the episode 5 I really had the impression that he was gonna die because everyone was pointing at him, but he had the right flag and it was a part of the plan. And I thought that, okay, you were trying to make me believe that he was gonna die. I fall into that trap. That's finished. Well done. We can we can move on. And I'm not so sure now. I'm not so sure because we had also other lines during the last episode about him, and yes, I'm not happy about what I heard during the last episode. I'm still thinking that he can be in danger and I'm really not happy about that. We'll see. We'll see during those 2 last episodes. Just in case, yes, I prepare myself. I don't have any tissue in my apartment, I just have that, so I prepare myself. About the other characters, I didn't like Tokyo, you know that. You know that during part 1 and part 2 she was annoying for me. Not because she's a free woman, not because she's doing what she wants, but because she was annoying. She was just annoying. I explained myself before, short story, I like strong women. I really love strong women in shows, but I don't like when the writers are representing a strong woman with only manipulative and sexy qualities. Strong woman can be really more than just that, and Tokyo was only that. It was annoying for me, but during this season I begin to like her. Really, I can feel it. I begin to like her. I begin to be in empathy with her because of Rio, I think. We'll see. We'll see if it's gonna change or not. Maybe I need just one more thing to really like her. I have this theory about Arturo. I think maybe he's a part of the group, a part of our team, our guys. They are talking a lot about his son, and for me there is something behind that, you know. Maybe at some point he's gonna help them because he wants to see his son, he wants to... I don't know. I have this feeling and I prefer to say it because if it's gonna happen, I'm gonna be like, yes, I said it. And if I'm not saying it to you, you're not gonna believe me, so I'm saying it, So, you know, you have the proof. Palermo... I'm disappointed about Palermo, you know, because really during the first half of the season I was really like, I like him, I love him, a lot because of Berlin, but also because of him. He gave me good impressions and yes, I loved him. And in just one episode, the episode 5, I don't like him anymore. And I don't like that because I have the impression that I don't like him like I did during the first half of the season, not because of him, but because of the bad way of writing him. And I don't like that. I'm not sure I'm clear with that. I like when characters are having evolutions, and I like when it's well done, you know, when you can see their evolution, you can see that something is happening and that something is changing them, and you can see that the why, the how, all of that. And just right there, it was so... we didn't see it coming, and for a big evolution like that for only one character and a character that we just met, to make such a change in one episode, no, I'm not buying it. I'm not really buying it. I see what you want with writing him like that, and okay, I don't like him anymore like I did before. You did right, but I'm not liking him anymore like I did before, not because of him, but because of you writing him like that. It was lame. You know, it was easy, it was... just in one episode you are expecting me to really hate him. I'm not hating him, but yes, I'm disappointed about him, but really not because of the actor or because of his character, because really his character was so well built, so well written during the first half of the season, so to just destroy that, all of that with one episode, and during the episode 6, no, like nothing happened. I really didn't like that during the episode 5. For me, it's a really bad thing about this season so far. It's really, yes, on the top 3 of the bad thing that I can see about this season. Don't worry, there are really not so many bad things that I can see for this season. So far it's really a great season, but this is one of the bad things. So I'm gonna watch the episode 7 and 8. I'm not gonna make a review after the episode 7, but after the episode 8 about the episode 7 and 8. And it's gonna be the end of this season 3, that we are waiting since so long now to have this part 3, this season 3. And like I said during my intro of the episode 1 and 2, it was really a big buzz, you know, a big thing in France when it was out on Netflix. So yes, in France, really a lot of people are talking about La Casa de Papel, and we're waiting for it, and we have also like promotion campaigns in France with posters, with publicity in television, all of that. So I really want this season to be good, to be so great. I don't want anyone to be disappointed about it, because we can see that they are putting a lot of effort in it, a lot of things in it. So far they are doing really great. They are doing really great because they are keeping what worked during the first season, the robbery, El Profesor planning the robbery, all of that. It's really well done, and they are also bringing new characters like the sociopath, that woman, and many other characters, Bogota, Palermo, and they are also bringing new storylines about saving Rio, all of that. Rio is free? Is he really free or not? I'm not sure. I was not expecting that during the last episode. It was like too good to be true. You saw me, you saw that. I was like, oh, really? Just like that? Okay, why not? But yes, it seems maybe too easy. We'll see. Maybe something wrong is not gonna happen because now they just have to get out and to bring the gold with them and to be free. So they have 2 episodes now for doing that. For me, they have time to plan it. El Professor and Berlin planned it, so for me they can do it. But 2 episodes, so maybe something wrong is gonna happen. We'll see. I'm talking too much. Are you still there? You deserve something if you are still there, really, because I'm talking too much. I know that. Tell me if you are still there, just during this intro, tell me on the comments and I will give you a big virtual hug. Really, if you are still there, you deserve that. Okay, so let's go for the episodes 7 and 8. Let's go for the end of this part 3, season 3. I hope it's gonna be good. I hope it's gonna still be as good as it is right now. And please, nobody is gonna die. Denver is not gonna die, and Nairobi is not gonna die. You know what I'm saying, that I said it during my review of the last episode. If you don't see it, go see it. If something is happening to Nairobi, I'm gonna be so mad at myself because I said during this other review, no, she's not gonna die, she can't die, why her? If something is happening to her, I'm gonna be so mad at myself to just imagine that nothing can happen to her. I'm touching wood. I don't know if you do that in US, England, other countries, but in France, when we don't want something that we are saying to happen, we are touching wood or our face like that. So really, nothing is gonna happen to Denver and Nairobi, at least. Please. Not one of those 2. Okay, stop talking. Let's go for the episodes 7 and 8. This smile. Is it the same smile? I said it during the last episode. Maybe he was brainwashed? See? He's looking at Monica. For me, Arturo is gonna help. At some point he's gonna help. Arturo, you're gonna go in? Pay attention, Arturo. Where is the micro? Does he know that he has one? Arturo! What are you doing? Arturo. I said that he was gonna help. It's not helping. See? They are really not considering the fact that he can have a micro on him. I know that it's easy for me to say it because I know it, but really they are not playing safe right there. Oh.
ese tío ha tenido años para pensar la respuesta. Por cada movimiento que hagamos aquí tiene una réplica.
A no ser que tú nos ilumines con una propuesta que no los diga.
Por lo menos con 3. ¿Sabes tu cálculo? ¿Dónde hay?
Okay, so he's really not a part of the team. I was wrong with this theory. Sorry. You are checking him, but you are not checking Rio?
Lo perdiste en el momento en que dijiste que no era su padre.
I said that it was important for him, so I was not wrong totally about with my theory. Una fotografía?
Quizá tú me has hecho conocerlo, pero no sé si voy a poder hacerlo.
What? Are you serious? You are ruining everything. No! She's not.
Volví a tocarme y estás muerto.
¡A su legítimo padre! ¡Por eso he entrado!
Pero si averiguamos cómo van a sacarlo de ahí, solamente van a poder negociar una cosa, su rendición. ¿Cuándo?
Bogota explained
¿Quiénes son?
the plan to the hostages when he needed members to work with him.
Quiero la mayor recompensa de la historia de Occidente. Si redondeamos la cifra, estamos hablando de 10 millones de euros.
They are not here anymore, but what are you gonna find just right there?
Hay pantallas y aparatos de radio por todas partes. Necesito a la científica y a la WIC ya. Empieza la caza.
Why?
Tengo cabrón.
The origami thing, it's really a prison break thing, but it's also maybe a signal? I don't know, maybe I'm going too far with my series.
Primero te cuelgan desnudo de unas cadenas. Si quieres que todos...
Why do you want him to explain that
Solo dinos dónde
right
estamos.
now? Are you recording that?
Sabía que no estábamos en España. Cuando cambiaba la dirección del viento. ¿Podías conservar llamada la oración de alguna mezquita? ¿Dónde se lleva su río? ¿Dónde está el icono rojo?
Yes, change your clothes.
Que le hayan implantado el mito, así que si hay sospechas, la palabra clave será pequeñas vacaciones. Es una de las pequeñas vacaciones.
At least someone is clever in this group.
Un micropunto en el tejido intramuscular, en el cráneo.
That's why he slept so long, because they did something in him, on him. They put something on him. Fuck.
De lo que os habéis echado de menos y hacer lo que es lógico que hagáis.
¿Estás enseñando que me acueste con él?
Mm.
Porque lo que necesita Río es un abrazo. ¿En serio? ¿En serio todo eso es necesario? Ese es el problema, que yo estoy aquí, ¿verdad? Y preferirías hacer esto tú solo, como un lobo solitario. ¿Qué pasa?
Siento que estoy haciendo una banda.
Why?
Que no podría mezclar un pedazo con todo esto hecho una de las claves de los protocolos a la científica y también de cadena partidaria.
Que me ganaste la partida. Porque yo creía que nos habíamos enamorado.
Of course you are.
Tengo a mi madre y a mi hija en Filipinas y toda la policía les está buscando.
No te pedí que vinieras.
Come on! Stop being like that!
Y lo de Río no es más que la excusa perfecta para poder vengar a Berlín. Es eso. Y a mí ya me has jodido.
No, stop doing you two. I love you two together. I love your relationship. Stop that. Oh, they saw you. A French song? Why a French song now?
Me he dado cuenta de que tú siempre has sido bueno con nosotros. En la isla, después de 3 días, estaba como loco y volvería a ser así. Porque tú necesitas esto, pero no quiero vivir como Peña Rosa.
Ahí empezó mi caída. De pronto,
I'm sorry, but I like that.
que llega atrás.
He's assuming what he wants, what he really wants, and he's not
Y más pequeño.
doing what she wants. I'm sorry, Tokyo. I like you now, but you are not good for each other. You know that.
Dentro de unos años nos encontraremos. Yo estaré con los 3 niños y las rosas de la compra. Y tú estarás en un descapotable despampanante con un varón negro. Si yo quiero volver a la isla contigo.
No, you don't. Don't lie to him. You don't want that. You don't want that life. You like him, you love him, but you don't want to live with him. That was unexpected. What are you gonna do? Okay, they're gonna jump, so they're not gonna be on the car anymore, okay?
Caso de ser localizados tenemos el doble de posibilidades si nos separamos y eso lo tenemos que hacer. Cuidado.
Okay, jump. Okay, both of you jumped and now you're gonna run. I can't put that thing or my reactions about that scene on YouTube. You know that. That's why I'm not reacting a lot, because I was really like trying to think, can I put that on YouTube or not? No, I can't. Really, YouTube is gonna that moment. Okay, you're gonna hide on trees, you're gonna hide on trees. Is it gonna be enough or not? Raquel, come on! They are not here anymore. Raquel, what are you doing?
Unos 2 kilómetros por oeste del descenso. Hay militares por todas partes. ¿Has conseguido subir?
No!
El Ministerio del Interior acaba de anunciar la recompensa más alta de la historia. ¿Están fundiendo el oro?
Sí.
¿Cómo fundiendo el oro? No me jodas, señora, ¿pero qué ha montado ahí dentro? ¿Los altos hornos de Vizcaya o qué?
Sí.
Señores, tienen que estar por aquí. Dados a ustedes las muestras que encontramos en la autocaravana.
Be careful, professor, be careful. I'm lost with languages. Don't breathe, don't even breathe. Okay. The last one.
No te cuenta de errores para que te mate. ¿Cuánto me queda a mí de vida? 3 años. ¿Qué error he cometido yo?
Stop using Berlin for making me emotional.
Sin disfrutar. Que al final eso es lo único que importa. Sería algo que no puedes pensar. Si tú tienes la culpa por algo que no podías controlar, ¿entiendes? La vida está ahí.
I hate them. They're gonna bring him again during this final episode. Berlin, they're gonna bring him again. I'm tired.
Me he enganchado a todo lo que me has enseñado. Cocinas. Juntos siempre estamos pensando eso. Y que sí, la memoria es muy...
Ask her. No, it's now or never. It's not a goodbye, it's not a goodbye. Come on, stop that nonsense, stop it.
Creo que podré aguantar 3 horas después de todo esto que me has dicho.
No, that was Marseilla. Policia, they would have done noise. Oh. What? He dumped you, so now you're drunk?
¿Qué has hecho lo que tendríamos que haber hecho hace mucho tiempo?
That's it, she's annoying again.
Pues ahora estoy ahora. muñecos, podría haber pasado en esos momentos. Y ahora yo me pregunto.
Elle me saoule. Ça y est. I was beginning to like her, to really like her. If something is happening to him after that, she's gonna be like, oh, the last thing that I said to him, that was that. She's gonna be annoying, more annoying if it's possible. I don't want that. The drama queen is back and poor. Alcatraz.
Y saben una cosa más poderosa que capturarnos a nosotros dos.
Que vosotros os escapéis
¿Cómo?
el mayor señuelo que podemos montar. Dígame, ¿pueden escapar por ahí abajo de alguna manera?
Yo diría que no, señor.
They want the policia to think that they're gonna escape.
¿Qué hacía ahí?
Yes, it was not policia.
Me he perdido, señor.
Sé quién eres.
Say the truth.
Él murió.
Yes, tell him the truth.
Tranquilo, tranquilo. Baja el arma, Agustina. Tranquilo.
Pedido la colaboración ciudadana.
Digan quién pillan el de recompensa, señora.
Oh, fuck. What was that?